For all the latest updates, subscribe to News9.
The monsoon session of the Parliament is all set to be held with precautionary measures in place. Rajya Sabha Chairman Venkaiah Naidu and Lok Sabha Speaker Om Birla discussed the possibilities of accommodating MPs of both houses. Venkaiah Naidu and Om Birla held a 2-hour-long meeting to come up with alternate ideas for Parliament's monsoon session. Rajya Sabha Chairman Venkaiah Naidu and Lok Sabha Speaker Om Birla met for 2 hours to discuss a new option for accommodating lawmakers while maintaining physical distance norms during the ensuing monsoon session. To ensure social distancing norms are adhered, members of both houses of Parliament will sit maintaining distance between each other in Rajya Sabha and Lok Sabha halls. One house will meet in the morning and the other in the afternoon with enough time in between to sanitize both the halls. The Rajya Sabha chamber and its galleries can accommodate 127 members, ensuring physical distancing. Lok Sabha chamber and galleries can accommodate 290 members while adhering to physical distancing norms. According to sources, various technical and logistic concerns have to be addressed if the monsoon session is held. When the monsoon session begins, issues like enabling the participation of members of a house seated in the other house through audio-visual connectivity, audio facilities for members seated in galleries, simultaneous interpretation, taking vote if required, enabling live telecast of proceedings of each house, and making arrangements for the media must be arranged properly. Secretary Generals have been asked to address all issues before taking a final decision. The Ministry of Health and Family Welfare recommended holding the monsoon session with strict sanitization protocols. The government is considering a proposal of DRDO to use technological innovations to sanitize the Parliament galleries and chambers. The DRDO proposal being discussed includes deploying UV blaster disinfection system, which uses ultraviolet rays to completely disinfect corridors and office spaces. This is remotely operated through a laptop or a mobile phone and can disinfect a 12 feet by 12 feet room within 10 minutes. The Health Ministry said the number of active cases in Delhi is an important factor in holding the monsoon session. Meanwhile, basic precautionary measures will be taken to ensure safety of members. The Parliament building will be completely sanitized before the monsoon session begins. Thermal screening will be mandatory for all members. All members must compulsorily wear masks. The government will decide as to how many seats will be occupied in order to avoid crowding. This will in turn ensure physical distancing. The secretariats will strictly follow Prime Minister Narendra Modi's Do Gaz Duri appeal.